This demonstration will show how DataWalk software can be used to address various challenges in the area of debt collection, such as identifying those debtors most likely to pay. With DataWalk, users can make dramatic discoveries by browsing their own data, and they can easily identify hidden relationships through powerful visualizations to build their own segments of debtors, all without knowing either SQL or a programming language. DataWalk has the ability to quickly and easily import and link data from many different sources, and the data in the consolidated repository is visualized here in the DataWalk Universe Viewer. Each icon represents a dataset that may be generated using data from multiple sources. This data model is customized for each implementation and can be easily modified as desired. In this case, data has been imported from the CRM system, the transaction system, the dialer system, the ERP system, and the debt management system. We've also imported data from a commercial database, as well as Excel spreadsheets with details of prospective portfolios under consideration. With DataWalk, you can ask any question as desired. For example, DataWalk can help you to easily evaluate and compare a candidate portfolio against historical reference data to develop insights on valuation. On the Universe Viewer, we see one prospective portfolio and prospective debtors. When we change our perspective on the debtors dataset, we see reference debtors who are similar to those in our prospective portfolio. Now it's easy to check the rating of current debtors who are similar to those in our candidate portfolio, and to extrapolate measures and dimensions to get insights on the candidate portfolio. For this, we change our perspective to come back to the candidate portfolio, drill down to Table View, and then generate an Excel report to see details needed for estimating value of portfolio prior to purchase. In Excel, we review data on prospective debtors, and we see that this particular portfolio mainly consists of debtors from Group B, who are very valuable debtors. They generally owe in the range of 10 to 70K and are between the ages of 30 to 39. These are just sample dimensions. You can slice and dice your data as desired. Once we purchase a portfolio, we'd like to create segments of debtors to increase our collection efficiency. For this purpose, we will generate a report using DataWalk's Instant OLAP capability. DataWalk provides a powerful many-to-many capability based on connections between data elements, providing access to all measures and dimensions available in your data. Now we see that this data set of debtors mainly concerns cash loans. We also see that those debts mainly come from bank portfolios, specifically Citibank. The debts are mainly at the active execution stage of collection, under $10,000, and are mainly from California. Now we can drill down looking at the highest value to create our most important and most valuable segment. On the top of our analysis, now we see all chosen attributes which created our segment A. Now we want to build a contact strategy for each day of the week for this segment. We see that Monday is the best day to call into this segment, and that the best time to call on Monday is around 3 p.m. Now an external telemarketing system can extract the right data, such as right debtors and their best phone numbers, and use it at a time identified to be optimal for calling. This will increase your efficiency in the collection process and improve your cash flow. For the last portion of our demonstration, we'll show how you can get new insights with DataWalk that help you to further optimize your collections activity. DataWalk software has the ability to issue alerts, and in this case, we'll examine a case where a debtor hasn't paid his liability for over 100 days and there's been no contact with him. We get a 360-degree view of this debtor on a network graph, and we immediately see objects and shared attributes such as phone numbers and shared debts. First, we see John Wicks, who shares phone numbers with Anna Johnson and who has shared debt with her in the past. We can also check and see that even though they have different addresses, they do not live far from each other. We see that status of this previous debt is closed, indicating they paid it off. We now want to check other details about John. For this purpose, we will extend our investigation by adding new connection properties. And we see that he owns a car and 2 properties, which perhaps indicates that he may be more likely to pay this new debt. Considering this, our collector may consider tactics such as proposing other payment terms, or perhaps trying to contact him through Anna. This reflects that with DataWalk you can get greater insights, such as connections between different people, entities, and transactions, which can help you to optimize your collection activities.